friends, today we are going to see that how to calculate lone pair and the bond pair. We have to remember only 5 rules, and by remembering 5 rules we can calculate any lone pair and the bond pair. Rule number 1, we have to calculate the total number of valence electron, means we have to calculate the valency of an electron. Second rule is, if valence electron will be less than or equal to 8, then we have to divide it by 2. Third rule is, if valence electron is more than 8, then we have to divide it by 8. And fourth is, first quotient will be bond pair and the second quotient will be lone pair. As we will move to the example, we will get more clarification, so let's move to the example. Take the example of BeCl2. According to our rule, first we have to calculate the total number of valence electrons. So as Be, beryllium belong to the group 2, okay, and chlorine belong to the group 17. So the valence electron of beryllium is 2 and valence electron of chlorine is 7. Okay, so calculate the total number of valence electron. So we have to calculate the valency. So valency of Be, beryllium is 2 plus, and chlorine is twice. Okay, so we have to multiply by 2 into 7. So 2 plus 7 to the 14, or we will get 16 valence electron. Okay, second rule was, if valence electron is less than or equal to 8, but it is not less than, it is more than. Okay, so third rule will be applicable. If valence electron is more than 8, then we have to divide by 8. So it is more than 8 because it is 16, so we have to divide it by 8. So we will divide it by 8. Okay, then 8 divided by 16, 8 to the 16. Okay, we get two questions. Okay, according to our fourth rule, first quotient will be bond pair. Okay, so there is two bond pair of electron, and it was given that second quotient will be lone pair, but there is no second quotient because remainder is 0 0, so there is number of lone pair is equal to 0. Okay, we will move to the next example. Let us take the example of CO3 2 minus. In this we have to calculate first total number of valence electron. As carbon belong to the group 14, so its valence electron will be 4. Okay, oxygen belong to the group 16, so its valence electron will be 6. So we have to calculate the total number of valence electron. So valence electron, valency of कार्बन इज 4, सो 4 प्लस ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे दिया है 3 O3, तो 6 इंटू 3, बट यहाँ पे 2 माइनस बी दिया है. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री जब यहाँ पे माइनस दिया रहे तो हमें यहाँ पे प्लस करना रहता है. ओके, तो 4 प्लस 6 दिया 18 प्लस 2, सो देन 24 we will get 24 valence electron. Okay, so it is obviously more than 8. So according to our third rule, it is more than 8, so we will divide it by 8. Divisible by 8. So 24 divided by 8, 8 3 is 24. There is only one quotient which is 3 and remainder is 0. So as per our fourth rule, the first quotient will be bond pair. So there is 3 bond pair, but lone pair, fifth rule was second quotient will be lone pair, but there is no second quotient, so lone pair will be 0. Lone pair is equal to 0. Okay, let's move to the next example. Take other example, XeF2. First of all, we have to calculate the valence electron. So as xenon belong to the group 18, its valence electron will be 8. Okay, and fluorine belong to the group 17, halogen family, its valence electron will be 1. Valence electron is 7. So we have to calculate the valence electron. So xenon is 8 plus, but fluorine is twice, so 2 into 7, so 8 plus 7 to the 14, 14 plus 8, 22. So according to our rule, it was given that if the valence electron is more than 8, then we have to divide it by 8. So we will divide it by first 8, then 8 से 24 तो बड़ा हो जाएगा, तो 8 2 16 से कर लेते हैं. 12 minus 6, 6 और 0. ओके, तो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2, बट जैसे कि हम लोग ने पहले के एग्जांपल में हमारा रिमाइंडर 0 आ जा रहा था, बट इस वाले एग्जांपल में हमारा रिमाइंडर 6 है। तो फिर से हम रूल अप्लाई करेंगे कि यहाँ पे दिया था रूल नंबर 2, इफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 8 देन वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 8. So it is less than or equal to 8, so we have to divide it by 2. So 2 3 ja 6. So according to our fourth rule, first quotient will be bond pair. So it is first quotient, so it is bond pair, and it is the second quotient, so it is the lone pair. So bond pair of an electron is 2 and lone pair of an electron is 3. Okay.